Arvind Kejriwal finds himself in the news yet again, and this time with his party returning to street politics, protesting his arrest. A drama that stretched for over 2 hours last evening, and even as they were reprimanded by the police, the Aam Aadmi Party continued to remain defiant, justifying their actions.
The Aam Aadmi Party returning to its street politics, protested Arvind Kejriwal's arrest and clashing with the cops outside the Tihar jail in the capital. The drama, which continued for over 2 hours, raising fresh questions.
A day after Arvind Kejriwal was sent to judicial custody for 2 days by the lower court in Delhi, the Aam Aadmi Party is now considering options to in fact move the High Court to set aside the magistrate's order of custody against Arvind Kejriwal. But most importantly, protests likely to continue outside the Tihar prison.
आज पहली बार ऐसा हुआ है कि अच्छे दिन आ गए हैं। आज पहली बार ऐसा हुआ है कि आपको बेल बॉन्ड भरना पड़ेगा, नहीं तो आपने गलत किया हो या नहीं हुआ हो। बात प्रिंसिपल की है, बात 10,000 की नहीं है। बात इस बात की है कि 10,000 रुपए देने का मतलब है कहीं अरविंद केजरीवाल ने गलत किया हुआ है।
Even as the Aam Aadmi Party leaders were dragged away by police for creating chaos outside the Tihar jail, they remained defiant.
कि जो लोग अपराधी हैं, जो भ्रष्टाचार में हैं, बड़े बड़े घोटाले करते हैं, वो अपने ड्राइंग रूम में बैठे हुए हंस रहे हैं, मंत्री बनने की तैयारी कर रहे हैं, और जो अपराध के खिलाफ हैं उनके साथ पुलिस ज्यादती कर रही है, और वो अरविंद केजरीवाल अंदर तिहाड़ के अंदर है। ये न्याय है देश।
Former Delhi Law Minister Somnath Bharti even going a step ahead to raise questions over the judiciary with this tweet.
I believe it's a party which says that the law which applies to the mighty applies to the individual. The law is one and the same. Why does he want special treatment? What was done today was nothing but following the law.
The BJP hitting out at the Aam Aadmi Party even more strongly for the drama barely 12 hours after the party said it was prepared for fresh elections.
Saying that the people of this country should have a right, as Mr. Kejriwal does, to say thumbs up to the law and say, I will not furnish a bail bond. I am going to stand on this principle and this differential treatment. So while an ordinary person who comes and lakhs of people who are brought before court furnish bail bonds, Kejriwal will not.
With Arvind Kejriwal choosing to take the easiest route, he's also chosen to put his own credibility at stake, choosing to disregard the law and now taking on the judiciary. They are back from a drubbing, and all eyes are on whether the attempt to distract works this time round. Bureau Report Times Now.